My name is Asma. I am studying 10th class in Jilla Parishad High School, Pulamati. Today I am going to tell about the combining the following sentences using the relative pronoun given in the brackets. So how to combine the two sentences using the relative pronoun which they have already given in the bracket. So there are two models. I am going to tell about these two models in detail. So the model one is if the subject of the first sentence and the subject of the second sentence are not same, who or which will be used in place of full stop. Means I have taken one example. I will explain by this example. I know the man. The man had come from London. So we can observe here in these two sentences there were two subjects, man and the place London. So this is a person and that is a place. These two are noun itself. So in the first sentence the subject is different and the second sentence the subject is also different. So we want to combine these sentences using who. So when the subjects of first sentence and second sentence are not different, then we have to mention the relative pronoun which they have given in the bracket, that is who, in place of full stop. I will write the answer like this. I know the man. So I am placing the relative pronoun which is who in place of full stop. I know the man who came from London. So we have to eliminate some of the words while combining the two sentences. So I am not going to repeat the man in the next sentence also while combining these two sentences using who. This is the model 1, and the model 2 is if the subject of the first sentence and the subject of second sentence are same, who or which will be used after the subject of first sentence. So I am going to explain about the model 2 using this example. The thief stole the watch. The thief was punished. So we can observe here subject also. Thief. Here in first sentence the subject is thief, and in the second sentence also the subject is nothing but thief. So these two are noun itself. So the subjects are same in two sentences. So we have to combine. So it is a person. So we have to combine using who. I write the answer. So while the subjects are similar in two sentences, we have to mention the relative pronoun after the subject in the first sentence. So after the subject in the first sentence, I write the answer. The thief. We have to keep a comma here. The thief who stole the watch. So we want to eliminate the thief here, and we have to write by keeping a comma was punished. So this is the answer, and this is the right way of writing the combination of sentences when the two subjects are same and when two subjects are different in a sentence. I hope this video will help you to know about the combining the two sentences using relative pronoun. Thank you.